Assalamu alaikum KG2 students. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is write singular, plural. First of all, I am going to tell you the definition of singular and plural. One thing is called singular. Two or more than two things are called plural. Now all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first singular word is bat. Bat is a singular word. Here is the picture of bat. But when we'll add the letter S at the end of the bat, it will become bats. These are bats. The next singular word is cat. Here is the picture of cat. Its plural word is cats. And these are cats. The third singular word is fan. Here is the picture of fan. Its plural word is fans. And these are fans. The next singular word is hat. Here is the picture of hat. Its plural word is hats. And these are hats. The next singular word is bag. Here is the picture of bag. Its plural word is bags. These are bags. The last singular word is rat. Here is the picture of rat. Its plural word is rats. These are rats.